Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to an unboxing episode. Now, this unboxing of this watch, I probably will not be doing a review on this because I've done a review on it before. This is the third rebuy of the same. Well, it's not the same exact. Well, yeah, it is the same watch. It's just a different bezel configuration. And I got this from my buddy Clayton, and it is going to be the Seiko SKX, and this one is the 007 SKX. Now, the reason why I was looking for an SKX, and not to do anything with it, not to mod with it or anything like that. I've been watching a lot of knife videos, and I've mentioned this before, but one of the things I do appreciate, especially as a new a new person getting into knife collecting, sort of, is the comparisons between other very popular knives and size and shape when they're reviewing a knife. So I know that there's other YouTubers out there who do this with watches. It just didn't click for me until I started watching knife videos. That could be a helpful thing to compare watches. So if you notice in my recent videos, I've been doing a lot of comparisons with other watches in my collection. And what else? I mean, when it comes to dive watches, like, yes, there's iconic dive watches like the Rolex Submariner, Omega Seamaster, 50 Fathoms, Blancpain. But I don't have access to those watches. But what most of us do have some experience with is the Seiko SKX. And I think as a comparison watch to other future dive watch reviews that I do, this will fit in. This would be a good comparison because most of us have experience with this watch. Most of us know the dimensions and the sizing of it. So this is the Seiko SKX007 on a strap code bracelet. Let me take off the frogman, which I was wearing today, and I'll put on. Now, Clayton has a little bit of a bigger wrist size than me, but this bracelet actually fits pretty good. So there it is, folks. Thank you for stopping in and watching this review, this unboxing. Like I said, no review on this one because I've had reviews on it before, and I'll link it up in the description. But it's an unboxing, and it's a watch, and this is a watch unboxing. So I'll see you guys soon in the next video.